Hello traders, this is Alla Peters on November 29th. In this video I would like to show you how Fibonacci keeps you out of trouble, how knowledge of price action removes sweaty palms and heart palpitations, and how Fibonacci, the only natural predictive tool in the markets, kept you on the right side of the market this entire historical week in the markets. So let's start with day trading examples. This is day trading chart that has Fibonacci tool applied to it. This Fibonacci tool showing you this morning that this is not the place to ever buy near. This Fibonacci resistance, the end of the minor trend, been present in the trading room since early November, where price showing you very clearly this is not the place to buy near. This is a place to monitor for pullback. And if I convert this chart to 5 minutes, take a look. What a spectacular reminder. Price is showing you this is not the place to buy. Price is showing you that your knowledge of Fibonacci resistance and Fibonacci support keeps you on the right side of the market time and time again, no matter what you trade. This is exact same chart on Apple this most of the year. Take a look. Charts are twins. On Apple between 91 to 181. Charts are twins, no matter what you trade. As Apple had shown very clearly, this key Fibonacci resistance in a play 2017-2018. Price is showing you very clearly this resistance is out. Apple will skyrocket to 194 and 214, which is exactly what Apple had done, selling off completely despite stunning earnings after reversal zone had been reached. Where's Apple in pain this morning, shock or not, at 181, present in the room for years? It's all the same. Where S&P is now, on any chart you trade. Except on S&P day trading chart, it's 2688 and 2743 area. And if I squeeze this chart, you will see it's been in a play for weeks. And this is a chart that reminding you where buyers been coming from. Trend inception on day trading chart, where our bullish bias remained for weeks. Why? Simple. Because this is institutional support. You never ever short near. Shock or not. This institutional support been in a play this entire year. It's all the same. This key support been in play on Tesla this entire year, present in front of you since early 2018. This reversal zone on Tesla been in play this entire year, as Tesla reminding you it's all the same. This institutional resistance been in play on Nasdaq this entire year. Exact same place where S&P is struggling on right now. So this is the market 90% of the time during trading hours this week. This is brutal nasty correction. On market dancing in complete indecision. This is a chart that's showing you very clearly what an open we are dealing with. So what is so powerful about this chart? There is nothing on it, only pure price. Nothing else matters. So if you understand what price is telling you, you don't have sweaty palms. You don't sit and stare at the screen. If you do, after 3 hours of babysitting, you become irrational trader. This is what your success starts from, when not to babysit the charts, when not to be chopped up in corrections. Corrections playing out during US sessions 90% of the time, when market testing you to the core of knowledge of price action. And if you know what price is telling you, you're not babysitting this. You're not making your broker happy. As you know extremely well, when market in pain, the smartest thing to do, walk away from the screen. As once again, price reminding you and showing you very, very clearly, this is not the place to buy near. If you do, your success rate a lot less than 10%, as every single bullish trade failed since early November. Just like on Apple, just like on Tesla, just like on any instrument you trade. And this is where Amazon is now, as Amazon reminding you, it's all the same. Sitting at key resistance, 1650 level, where Amazon struggled at the start of 2018. And how Amazon sold off is ultimate reminder. Trading on earnings will never work. Selling off $500 per share. But knowledge of price action will. As the only thing we're interested this morning is powerful pullback. Price being here almost 30 minutes. And if powerful pullback will play out, only then market will become interesting. This is what core is all about. You master this. And if you master this, you don't have heart palpitations. You don't have sweaty palms. And you understand extremely well. If you can trade this, you can trade any instrument, any time frame, any platform you choose to trade. You are not addicted to delayed artificial stuff that do not work. You are not addicted to the noise. You master of price action. You're not babysitting corrections. You're not making your broker happy. You are becoming master of price action. You are becoming better every day. Because you know what price is telling you, indicator free. Because if I remove the name from the chart, you will not know what chart this is. As it's all the same. No one will ever guess what chart this is. No one should care. However, this is top stock in US daily chart, but looks exactly the same as 5-minute S&P. Looks exactly the same as Euro Weekly. It's all the same. Go to the source. Master what indicators developed after. You master this, you don't have sweaty palms. Remove the noise, remove the panic. We are in historical market conditions, and if you understand that, you sleep extremely well. Knowledgeable trader not babysitting this. Knowledgeable trader knows that when price dancing in correction, the only smart thing to do, not to touch the market. Knowledgeable trader knows buying as low as possible when rules are met and selling as high as possible when rules are met is a recipe for success. which is exactly what price had done this entire month of November across the board on any instrument you trade. As oil sold off, as expected. As I said for months, 55 is out, 40 is next. Do you remember that key resistance on oil? Famous 55 number? Spelled out months in advance. Do you remember what oil looked like at the start of November or the start of the year? Here is a reminder. This was oil. Oil reached reversal zone many months later. And when oil reached reversal zone, it started doing this. Shock or not. No surprise where oil made it to. 55. And when 55 is out, oil selling off lower and lower, as expected. Heading to 40 next. But you cannot place a trade randomly. You must know where your stop is, where your target is. You must know how to apply Fibonacci tool. And that's what course all about. How to set up this tool correctly, how to use this tool correctly on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you choose to trade. And if you want to trade 5-minute S&P, oil hourly, euro weekly, it's your choice. Price action remains the same. The only thing that changes, trader psychology, risk management and hold time. As we're hoping that S&P will finally crash. But if not, we have zero interest in touching this market. And that's how price action in Fibonacci keeps you out of trouble and removes sweaty palms and heart palpitations. Knowledge is power. That's exact same success formula in life, in everything you do. So stop relying on delayed indicators. Start mastering the price. That's the key to your success. And if you know how to apply Fibonacci tool and you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. That's what course is all about. So if you're looking at this chart and you don't know what chart is telling you, you have a lot to learn. And if you remove all the indicators from your chart, you know extremely well, this is brutal correction. Corrections are untradeable market conditions when the only one who is benefiting is your broker. Corrections playing out on any instrument, any time frame, at least 40% of the time when the only one who wins is your broker. Corrections are addressed throughout the course. And if you remove all the indicators from your chart, you know extremely well, this is not the time to stare. This is the time to walk away from the screen. So ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to join us in the course, this is a final last opportunity to sign up for Foundations course at the biggest discount in 8 years. As of January 1st, the price going up significantly. Last chance. Limited space only at this price left. If you would like to dive all the way in and to become the master of price action and Fibonacci, dive right into Mastery course. I look forward to working with you. I am with students 5 days a week. You start learning the moment you sign up. You start reviewing classes the moment you sign up. You learn everything you see in the trading room. If you would like to dive right into mentoring, all group courses included. You have access to all the videos, all the classes, and I work with you one-on-one on the instrument and platform of your choice. The only thing I'm asking you to speak with me first before you sign up, so we can discuss our schedule and how we meet. So, stop wasting your time on indicators. Become master of the price. Trade like students share under testimonials page. And if you do master the price and join us in mastery course, you trade like Brad, you trade like Sam, you trade like Anna. These are the students that finished mastery course, as foundations course only been offered recently, never been offered before. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me at 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Can you start with foundations and move to mastery? Of course. If you want only foundations of the method, pretty please do. You can progress to mastery when you are ready. But this lowest price in 8 years may finish as soon as this weekend. 7 spaces left only for this price. Have a wonderful afternoon. Look forward to hearing from you.